The word Rolls-Royce has always been associated with royalty, luxury, and ecstasy. Rolls-Royce has devoted a century to designing and manufacturing big bonnet cars in order to get into the aviation and military equipment business. Our great-grandparents' imperial status has been effectively maintained in our generation as well. Although the brand's journey has not been without challenges, let's take a look at how Rolls-Royce started and evolved. Welcome to Wealthy Mindset, where we explore unique and breathtaking angles from the world of money, economics, personal finance, and investing. But before we dive into it, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, click on the bell icon right there so you never miss any of our subsequent videos. Rolls-Royce was founded in the year 1906 by Charles Rolls and Henry Royce, after Henry Royce manufactured his first car, the two-cylinder Royce 10, in 1904, and introduced it to dealer Charles Rolls. From there on, they decided to start a car manufacturing company in 1906 as Rolls-Royce Limited, and launched their first model, the Silver Ghost, with 40 to 50 horsepower, which was quite vital in building an image for them in the market. They had a 6-cylinder engine and won awards for their outstanding reliability and engineering, with over 6,000 units built. The chassis of the car was used in armored cars during both World Wars. In 1911, Rolls-Royce featured the Spirit of Ecstasy, a symbol of a woman with wings produced by her dress while leaning forward and keeping her arms stretched to the back. Charles Robinson Sykes developed the emblem, which is considered a lucky charm for the company. The company designed the first aero-engine and named it the Eagle while considering the situation during World War I. This engine powered the first flight directly between England and Australia in the Vickers-Vimy aircraft. Rolls-Royce has consistently developed engines for civil and defense aircraft, power systems on land, power needs for oil and gas companies, and naval military vehicles and submarines. During the Second World War in 1940, the development of the Merlin-powered Supermarine Spitfire and Hawker Hurricane in the Battle of Britain. This opportunity made Rolls-Royce's aero business become a major contender in the aero propulsion industry. To expand their business, Rolls-Royce stepped into the United States in 1921 and established their factory in Springfield, Massachusetts, where they developed 1,703 Springfield Ghosts and 1,241 Phantom, which replaced the Silver Ghost in 1925, but were shut down after 10 years due to the Great Depression. This also impacted their newly acquired business, Bentley, and in order to save the sales of the Phantom, they had to discontinue producing Bentley. After 2 years, they resumed production and developed an ultra-medium civilized Bentley 3.5 liters, which was advertised as the silent sports car and driven by Eddie Hall in 1934, 1935, and 1936 in the RAC Sports Car Trophy. After World War II, the company decided to focus on fully assembled Rolls-Royce and Bentley cars instead of simply building chassis. In 1955, they acquired coach builder H.J. Mulliner and turned it into H.J. Mulliner Park. It was in the late 1960s when the company started facing issues in their business when the development of RB211 turbofan engine developed for Lockheed Aircraft Corporation utilized all their resources, causing them to file bankruptcy and enter receivership. They sold their holdings in British Aircraft Corporation, including aero-engines, and demerged their car business from Rolls-Royce Limited, resulting in the nationalization of British Aircraft Corporation and the formation of Rolls-Royce plc. After 2.5 months of falling into receivership, Rolls-Royce relaunched its car business under the name of Rolls-Royce Motors Holding Limited, which was ultimately sold to Vickers in 1980. Later, the company was sold to the Volkswagen Group, but the rights to use Rolls-Royce and its logo were bought by BMW for 40 million euros in 2003. Currently, the whole car business is operated and owned by BMW itself. In 1987, the business that had been bought by the government and turned into a nationalized company was once again privatized by selling shares in the market with a high success rate. Today, the aerospace and defense company is held by Rolls-Royce Holding plc and is the 85th largest company as per the listing on the London Stock Exchange. The corporation has gone through a lot of changes, dilution, and reorganization. Between 2010 and 2018, Rolls-Royce invested 11 billion euros in facilities and R&D, while simultaneously launching 6 new civil engines in the aviation market, including Trent XWB and Pearl 15, and has successfully secured orders for 2,700 engines for aircraft bodies and business jets. They are expected to produce more than 600 wide-body engines in a single year, powering half of the world's wide-body fleet. Not only has their automobile business established a well-known identity in the market, but so has their aerospace and defense business. The company has gone through many ups and downs throughout the years, but its ecstasy remains intact. We'd love to hear what you think about this case study. If you enjoyed this video, slap a like on it and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the latest business trends and interesting facts. You can also turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of our mind-blowing videos. We'll catch you in the next one. Until then, bye!